This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the exact files and organizing folders the way you want them stored. Once done, pick an archiver, built-in OS zip, 7-zip, or a command line zip utility, because each affects compression and metadata. Make sure to set compression level and whether you need encryption or splitting. This choice changes speed and final size. You should also confirm destination path and overwrite behavior. These first steps set the archive structure and ensure predictable results when the tool begins processing. You now initiate compression. The tool reads each file, chunks data, and applies the chosen algorithm such as deflate or LZMA. This reduces size by removing redundancy. While compressing, directory entries and file metadata, names, timestamps, permissions, are written into the archive's central index so extraction can rebuild structure. If you enable encryption, the file contents get encrypted, but some formats still expose file names unless you choose full header encryption. Once finished, the archiver writes the central directory or end-of-archive record that maps file entries to compressed data locations. It then closes file streams so the archive is consistent. You should immediately verify integrity using the tool's test command or checksum to ensure no corruption occurred. If something goes wrong, like interrupted writes, wrong password, or character encoding mismatches during listing, you can attempt a repair utility or recreate the archive from the originals. These steps recover structure or reveal which files failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.